Hello and welcome to Jewelry by HF. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this stunning pearl handle mirror that adds elegance and charm to your vanity or dressing table. Material list: 0.5 mm fishing line, small round mirror lens, glue, 6 mm, 4 mm pearl, scissors, 2 mm Chevron board cardboard. Use tools to disassemble the small round mirror. Do not use a knife, you will hurt yourself. Cut a pattern on the shelving board that is the same size as the mirror. First, cut a 2 to 3 meter fishing line. Avoid changing the line in the middle. Wear 4 6 mm pearls. Make a cross here on the last bead. There is a circle here after crossing. Tension. Then align the two ends of the line first. Pull the 4-bead loop to the middle of the line. The first 4-bead circle is ready. You can use tape to fix it here. Then make the second 4-bead circle. Thread 2 pearls on the left thread and 1 pearl on the right thread, 6 mm pearl. You'll need some high shine pearl beads, 0.8 mm fishing, wire a round mirror, and a little patience to create this beautiful handmade piece. Make a cross in the second pearl of the left line. Continue to wear it down in the same way as before. Compare the length on the mirror. It doesn't matter if it's loose. The beads will be loose if you cross-thread them, so you can do a back threading afterward. Thread 2 pearls on the left thread, then thread 1 pearl back on the left thread. After back penetration, a circle is formed. Thread a pearl through the right thread and pass it through the loop on the left thread. Pull tight and pull the knot to the middle of the bead. Then connect the two ends together. Take any end of the string and thread a pearl after inserting the pearl. Pass through the pearl at the connection. Now, there are 3 pearls on the line. Wear a pearl and wear it back. The side part is finished. Upper thread is inserted into 4 mm pearls, 6 mm pearls and 4 mm pearls in turn. Cross. Cross. The right line passes through this pearl. The left thread is threaded with 6 mm pearls and 4 mm pearls in turn. Cross. Next, follow the same method to make a circle. Pass these 2 pearls and cross them at the 6 mm pearl. Wrap the thread around this bead and cross it. Apply a circle of glue around the edge of the chevron board. Put the mirror on top and press it down. You can use heavy objects to press on it and wait for the glue to dry. Be sure to wait for the glue to dry before proceeding to the next step. The method here is the same as the method at the bottom. Apply glue after one circle is completed. We're using the same pearl weaving method to keep the look uniform and polished. Three pearls on the left line. The last line should be on the outside, and put the handle part back through. Next, we'll create the elegant handle.
The left line is below and the right line is above. The left line crosses back.
Then start making the handle part.
Pull the knot to the middle of the bead. Pass through this pearl. There are 2 pearls on line now. Thread 2 pearls on the left thread and then thread it back. Still wear 2 pearls on the left line. Through 2 pearls. Thread a pearl through the left thread, and then thread it back. The first row is done. The next step is the same as this row. And here's our finished DIY luxury pearl mirror. Perfect for a handmade gift, vanity styling, or even bridal use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Jewelry by HF for more creative and luxurious DIYs. See you in the next video. The handle length can be adjusted according to your preference. Finally, hide the excess fishing line along the bead circle, then cut off the excess thread. After both wires are hidden, the handle mirror is completed.
This handle not only looks beautiful, but it's fully functional for daily use.
Create this elegant pearl beaded handle mirror step by step. Perfect for your vanity, a thoughtful handmade gift, or even for small business inspiration. This luxury craft is beginner friendly and incredibly aesthetic. DIY lovers, handmade gift ideas, bridal accessories, vanity decor you can use as gift for girls. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.